Dear learners, welcome to Basics of Arabic Language class. Dear learners, as in the previous class, I have tried my best to help you learn common Arabic words, words that you already know. You are using these words in Hindi and Urdu. Now, in the same way, again I am trying to give you more common Arabic words so that you can feel very much comfortable with Arabic language. So the next word I am going to teach is word ضروري. 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 الماء ضروري. The water is necessary. الطعام ضروري. The food is necessary. So you see here, ضروري is a word which you yourself use so often. In Arabic, same word, in fact it's originally Arabic word, so you are using here as it is. And by the way, I know that you are familiar with another word, ضرورة. ضرورت. What you call ضرورت. ضرورة is need, necessity, need. So ضروري is necessary, inevitable. I hope you have learned this. It's very easy, very interesting to learn, because all these are words which you are very much familiar with. Now the next word is إعادة. 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 إعادة is a word which you are familiar with. إعادة. What is عادة? إعادة is habit. So عادة, ضرورة, إعادة, both of these words are very much common, and you can easily use these words in your ordinary life situations, and while speaking the language you can use it. Now the next word, very important and very simple in fact. The word is عالم. عالم. Try to say it with عين. عين. عالم. عالم. It's not عالم. The sound is عين. عين. عالم. عالم. So عالم is world. It's not عالم. There's a difference, a lot of difference between the two. عالم is somebody who has knowledge. In modern Arabic, عالم is scientist, but عالم is world. So you see how there is a lot of difference in fact between the two words, and with fatha and kasra, عالم la sound, and عالم la li, and you see the difference in meaning. So the word now I am focusing on is عالم. عالم, which means world. Again, try to say it at least 3 times with me. عالم. عالم. Okay, right? Good. Now next word I am trying to give you is again starting with ayn, and the word is ilm. So what's ilm? Ilm, I think it's a word you are very much familiar with. Ilm, ta'aleem. Ilm is knowledge. Now there is a difference between the sounds alif and ayn. It's not ilm, it's ayn. Ilm. This is the actual sound. This is the pronunciation. So try to follow it very carefully, and you will learn the language in a proper manner. So again, word is ilm. Say as many times as you can so that you can master it. Now the next word in the same way, starting with alphabet Ain, is imara. Imarat is a word that you are using it quite often, in fact, while speaking your own native, in your mother tongue. In fact, quite often you use imarat. Originally it is an Arabic word, and now it is so much common. It's commonly spoken. Imara is building is imara. So this is the word, but always try to focus on ain, because pronunciation in Arabic is extremely important. So you need to focus on it. Imara, never say oh, e. All these sounds will not work here because it's not starting with alif, it's starting with, again I am saying, with ain. This is the sound. So imara. Whenever you practice, you should try to follow it. Imara. Now the next word is starting with ain. Arabic alphabet ain is aib. It's not ab, it's not o. The sound again from this portion. Ain, aib. Aib means defect. Aib. This is a word you are familiar with, I'm sure. I am pretty sure you are familiar with this word. You are speaking this word. Now, all that you need to do is to follow it, how to pronounce properly in Arabic language, and the best way to do it, to practice as much as you can. So, alphabet Ain, and the word is aib. Aib means defect. Now we are moving to another important Arabic alphabet, and the words starting from this alphabet, and the alphabet is Ghain. You have learned Ain, you have learned how to pronounce it, you have learned so many common Arabic words from it, especially the words that you already know. You have learned all that. Now I am moving to another important Arabic word, and the word is Ghain. It's not ga. Sound is not Ghain. This is actual sound. So Ghain, and the word is Ghaib. It's just opposite to Hadir. Hadir means present. Ghaib means absent. Ghaib. Huwa ghaib. He is absent. Ar-rajulu ghaib. The man is absent. At-talibu ghaib. The student is absent. Al-ustazu ghaib. The teacher is absent. Now, this way, you yourself, in fact, can use this word in your own simple sentences. But this is not necessary at this stage. My intention is not to help you form simple sentences at this stage. We will hold so many other lectures for that, and where you learn, in fact, simple Arabic sentences, so many common Arabic sentences. At this stage, my focus is on helping you learn common Arabic words. So I am confining. I am not going into detail and not giving you so many sentences. Just focus on words. Now, next Arabic alphabet, and the words starting from it is fa. The sound is fa. And the word is faida. Very, very, very simple and common Arabic word that you use in everyday life situation. Faida. So in Arabic, in fact, we say mahil faida. So what is faida? Benefit. Mahil faida. What is the benefit? It's why should I do this? Why should I do that? What is the benefit? Why should I bother to do it? Why should I pay attention to it? ما هي الفائدة? ما هي الفائدة? So فائدة is benefit. Benefit. I am sure you are learning it and learning it very fast, isn't it? It's really interesting and exciting to know that you know so many Arabic words that you are using already. Now another word I am going to give you. The word is starting from fa, and the word is fitna. So what is fitna? Fitna, guess it. Is it difficult? Not at all. If you apply your mind, you will certainly get it. Fitna, perhaps many of you are using it. Fitna is strife. Fitna. If there is some problem in certain parts, in certain stages, in somewhere you have certain problems, it's fitna. Things are not in order. Chaos, strife. So fitna. This is word I'm sure you are able to. If you are not familiar with, you will easily grasp it. Now the next word is starting with fa. Fa is fakhr. Now there is a difference. In fact, sometimes when we speaking in our own language, especially Hindi and Urdu, some people in fact say this word, they use this word, but it's like fakhr. It's not the correct Arabic pronunciation. In Arabic, with kha, sukun, fakhr. It's not fakhr. Say it several times. Fakhr. Kha. This is the place. Fakhr. So what is fakhr? Fakhr is pride. So I take pride in certain things. If I take, so fakhri, my pride, fakhri. So this is fakhr. I will request you to just practice the sound of kha in Arabic, because I have already told that certain sounds, in fact certain alphabets, are a little bit difficult to pronounce, and many others are certainly easy, like alif, ba, ta. But when you come to tha, ha, kha, you face a little difficulty, but with practice you can certainly overcome it. It's just a beginning. It's a beginning for you. You are learning how to learn. You are learning how to store as much words as possible at this stage, and you will certainly you will gain a lot. Now the next word, the word which you are using so frequently you are using, in fact everyday life situation, is faqir. Fa, qaf. It's not kaf, qaf. Faqir. So in Arabic we call rajulun faqir. So what is faqir? Need I tell you? Perhaps for some people. Faqir is poor person is faqir. In Urdu you use gharib, but in Arabic actual word for poor is faqir. So in Arabic we call rajulun faqir. Poor person. Rajulun faqir. So the word is starting with fa, with alphabet fa, and it has qaf. So you have to practice both fa and qaf, and then you will get the correct pronunciation of the word faqir. Right? I hope you are able to do it. It's not much difficult, certainly not much difficult for you. If you start practicing it, say it as many times as you can. Say it as many times as you can. Faqir, faqir, faqir. Rajulun faqir. Rajul is man, faqir is poor. So poor man in Arabic. Hada rajulun faqir. Huwa rajulun faqir. He is a poor man. Okay. So we call it rajulun faqir. Faqir. Faqr. Faqr. Faqr is poverty. So there is a difference between the two, between faqr and fakhr, which you have, the word you have learnt earlier. Fakhr, fakhr, kha, and qaf, faqr, faqr, qaf, fakhr, kha, faqr. So what is different? Faqr is poverty, fakhr is pride, pride, pride. Dear learners, now I am going to give you another very important Arabic word, and the word is fikr. Again, starting with fa, fa. Fikr, fikr. It's not fikr. Sometimes we are, used to it, and we use this way, fikr. But the better and correct way to pronounce it, fikr, with the sukoon. Fikr, 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 fikr. So what is fikr? Fikr is thought, thought. Sometimes in Arabic we also call fikrah, fikrah. Again, thought, or plural afkar, afkar, thoughts, thoughts. So fikr is thought. Now I am going to discuss some other words starting with qaf. You have learnt so many Arabic words starting with fa. Now I am going to focus on qaf, qaf, qaf. So the word starting with qaf, common Arabic word that you know is qadi, 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 qadi. It's a word you are familiar with, I am sure. Qadi. Qadi is judge, judge. It has two important Arabic alphabet which are difficult to pronounce. One is qaf and another one is wad, wad. So qadi, 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 qadi. This is the pronunciation, qadi. Try to say it several times so that you can learn it properly. And qadi is judge, judge. Next Arabic word that you are going to learn is qanoon. Qanoon is Arabic word. Do you know? Qanoon, qanoon. We use it so often we use it. Qanoon, qanoon. It's not ka, ka. The actual sound is qaf, qaf. Qanoon, qanoon, qanoon. Qanoon is law, law, law. Qanoon, law. Very simple and clear. Qanoon, law, law. Dear learners, just keep in mind that when I am trying to give you so many Arabic words, you just keep on practicing the alphabet also, especially how the alphabets are pronounced. So keep on focusing on that, because this part I am sure you know. These are Arabic words that you are familiar with. I am just reminding you and helping you realize that these are actual Arabic words that you already know. So I am helping you to pronounce it properly and learn it completely. Now the next Arabic word is qarar, qarar. And what is qarar? Qarar is resolution, resolution. Say it several times with me. Qarar, qarar, qarar. And the meaning is resolution, resolution. Now the next Arabic word starting with qaf is qareeb, qareeb, qareeb. So what is qareeb? Qareeb, qareeb is near, near. It is starting with Arabic alphabet qaf, qaf. Qareeb, and the opposite is ba'id. Ba'id is far. Ba'id, qareeb. Ba'id, qareeb. Ba'id is far, Qareeb is near. Now the next word is starting with alphabet Qaf is Qala, 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 Qala. See, you know this Arabic word, you are using it, Qala, but often Qila, 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 all these. Actual Arabic word properly pronounced is Qala, Qala, Qala. So, red fort, suppose Qala is fort, fort, fort. Qala, red fort, in Arabic we call Qala Hamra, Al-Qala Al-Hamra, Al-Qala Al-Hamra, red fort, red fort, Al-Qala Al-Hamra, red fort. Okay, so Qala, Qala is fort. Now, next Arabic word, it's very common and very important Arabic word. Many of you use it so often, and the word is Qahwa, Qahwa, Qahwa. And Qahwa is, guess, coffee, coffee. Qahwa is coffee. So many people in fact know it, they call it Qahwa, Qahwa. In Arabic, Qaf, Qahwa, sound is Qahwa, Qahwa, Qahwa. Sometimes in colloquial Arabic they call it Ahwa. Okay, that is another thing. But now Qahwa, actual standard Arabic, is Qaf, starting with Qaf, Qahwa, Qahwa. Qahwa is coffee, coffee. Now I am going to give you another Arabic word starting with Kaf, Kaf. Now the difference between Qaf and Kaf. Qaf, Kaf, very close and very much similar in fact, but have different sound. Qaf, Kaf, Kitab, Qalam, Kitab, Qalam. Do you see the difference? Kitab, Qalam. So now the next word is starting with Kaf, and that is Katib, Katib, Katib. And Katib is writer, writer, writer. Katib, writer. Katib, writer. Now next Arabic word, and the alphabet is Lam, Lam. The word is Libas, Libas, Libas. Libas, dress, Libas, very common but important Arabic word. Libas, you use it so often. So dear learners, in this lecture, like previous lectures, I have tried my best to give you so many important Arabic words, common Arabic words that you know and use in everyday life situations. As I told you earlier, that the intention is to help you realize that you know some Arabic, you know some important Arabic words. In fact, you are using these words without prior knowledge that these are actually Arabic words. So this much at least you should be sure that you have this much knowledge of the language, because everything, communication in fact starts with words. Even most of the time you need not use complete sentence. Only single word can help you realize your objective, help you get what you want. Suppose you are saying qahwa, qahwa. So certainly you will get the coffee, not tea. If you are saying shai, so you will get tea, not coffee. So this is, you need not say or speak complete sentence. So for speaking at least this much knowledge of Arabic words will help you communicate in ordinary life situations. My objective here is to help you realize that, to help you communicate in Arabic language without much effort. Because what are you doing here? Are you memorizing these words? Are you learning by heart? Not at all. You are not doing all these things. You are just learning it in a natural way. Learning because you have already learned it, you have used it, and you are familiar with all these words. I am just giving you and reminding you of your knowledge, your prior knowledge. So hope this is a very interesting and exciting lecture for you and you are enjoying it. So am I. Ma as-salama.